What's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here from guitarjams.com. I hope you're doing great out there. Thanks for watching another video here. Gonna have a lot of fun doing it. We'll zoom in. I'm gonna show you the chords, a little rhythm. Also, you can learn guitar at the site guitarjams.com. Got a link for it down there. Thanks for that extra support. But let's zoom in and learn this one right now. Here we go. So the song's kind of got a little shuffle to it. So, just to kind of give you a little starting point. Down, down, up, down, down. Okay? Just as a starting point. And then we've got the chorus, which is E minor to A minor. And in the opening, it repeats that. So it's like E minor, A minor, E minor, A minor. So it does that twice. And the same rhythm, E minor, which a lot of times I use my pinky on the third fret of the B. It's just my own habit. So it might look weird, but most beginners would play it that way. And then a G into the verse. So watch. 1, 2, 3. Can't buy me E minor, A minor. No E minor, A minor. Can't buy me D minor, D. Now we need the verse, which is kind of just a blues. It is a blues. It comes from the blues. So we've got C, C, F, C, 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 C. Then I'm going to play an F7, which is like an F bar chord with the pinky off. If you only know a regular F chord, however you can play F, that's going to work. I'm going to play an F7. Then it goes back to C again. F, C. So I'm going to show you that again. So without the rhythm, just check out the form. C, 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 C. F7 for a while, then back to C, C, C. G, 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 break on F. So you got G, 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 break on F, F again to C. You got a little break on F, but then it goes back into F to C. So watch. C, 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 C. Look at this old C. Then to an F7, back to the C. G, 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 F, 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 C, E minor, A, C, 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 E minor, E minor, E minor, G, C, 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 F7, da, 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 then it's back to C, G, 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 F the break, F again to C. Now watch. The regular chorus in the song is different than the very beginning of the song. So it goes, can't buy me E minor, A minor, then back to C. Everybody C, 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 E minor, A minor, D minor, to G. So watch that again. C, to C, 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 C. F7, la, da, da, then it's back to C. G, 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 F, 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 back to C. Then the chorus, E minor, A minor, back to C, it grooves on C. Then E minor, A minor, E minor, G, C. All right, there it was. Not too bad. Always got the bonus links down there. Thank you so much for the support, and I hope to see you in another lesson real soon. See you later.